Good morning, students. Myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Maths and Science teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bethia, and I am welcoming you in this class for Science of Class 7, Chapter 17, Light. And this is my fifth and last video regarding this chapter, in which we are going to know about lens. So lens is a transparent medium which is bounded to curved surfaces. Means it is also a piece of glass that are joined together to their opposite sides. As lenses are divided in two parts, like a mirror, as convex lens or converging lens, and concave lens or diverging lens. Since in mirror you have read that mirrors are also a slice of glass that are polished from either of the side, but in lenses this is opened from both sides, and so the light which pass through the lens, they bend from their place. Suppose this is the lens. When the rays of light passing through it bends its place. So here we can say that this phenomena by which light bends its path is called refraction. So in lenses the phenomena refraction. So refraction means bending of light. While in reflection you have seen that reflection means bouncing back of light. तो उसमें क्या हो रहा था, परावर्तन में किरणें जिस रास्ते से जाती थी उसी रास्ते में वापस लौट जाती थी, लेकिन अपवर्तन में किरणें उस रास्ते में वापस नहीं लौटती हैं, बल्कि वह आगे के रास्तों में जाती हैं और जिस जगह उन्हें हिंडर्स मिलते हैं उस हिंडर्स के कारण वे अपने मार्ग में थोड़ी परिवर्तन करती है, वे अपने मार्ग से मुड़ जाती है. सो हियर इन द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस यू कैन सी इट इज bulges at middle but converges at the two ends. While in concave lens just it is inward, it is converges in the middle part while diverges at the ends. So here the light which pass through the convex lens, they converge at a point, and here the light which pass through the convex lens, they are diverged, and so we find that the images formed by convex lens will be real image that can be mounted on a screen, but the images formed by concave lens are virtual and they cannot be got on a screen. So there are uses of lenses, as convex lens are used in all type of cameras. आप जितने भी तरह के कैमरों का उपयोग करते हैं एक्सेप्ट पिन होल कैमरा, all cameras have convex lenses. Second, convex lenses are used in telescope and microscope to see the image of an object clearly, as well as convex lenses and concave lenses can be used in spectacles. So the persons who are unable to see the distant object clearly, they use concave lenses, and those people who are unable to see the near object use convex lenses. As here already given, the convex lenses are used in spectacles to help people see nearby things clearly, while concave lenses are used in spectacles to help people see distant object clearly. So students, you should know that the rules and the nature of images that we have seen in the concave mirror will be followed with convex lens, as well as the properties and nature of the images formed by convex mirror will be followed by concave lens. Now we will read about dispersion of light. So dispersion means the spreading of white light in 7 colors is known as dispersion. Means the white light which is made up by 7 colors, that is called bivouac. So bivouac means, B means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. So these 7 colors which form a rainbow are arranged in these sequence, and this can be seen after dispersion the white light from a lens. So lenses cannot be understood by made up only from glasses, but our water also behave as a lens. So sometimes we can see the rainbow in the sky just after the rain, when the sun appears in the sky. So the rainbow which can be seen in any side of the sky, we see it forms just in the opposite side of the sun. And जिधर सन होता है ठीक इसके उल्टी दिशा में हम एक रेनबो को फॉर्म होता हुआ सा देखते हैं. एंड द रीजन बिहाइंड इट दैट आफ्टर द रेन सम ऑफ द रेन ड्रॉपलेट्स hang on the environment, and when the sun rays pass through these droplets work like a prism, which split the white light in 7 colors, that is called a spectrum, and this spectrum can be seen in the form of rainbow. So a spectrum is a band of 7 colors obtained as a result of dispersion, and so we can find this type of rainbow not only on the sky. Sometimes we can find rainbow when the ions spread on the water bodies. We can find it on the disk when it is just kept before the white light sources. तो इस तरह के रेनबो को हम आसानी से प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. एंड नाउ as I tell you that water also work like a prism. It works like lens, and this is why the refraction also happens in water. This is the reason when we put something in the tub of water, we can find that the object looks upward from its original place. इसलिए आपने देखा होगा जब हम पानी में किसी सिक्के को या किसी सामान को जब रख देते हैं और हम पानी को थोड़ा सा स्टीर करते हैं, इसको चला देते हैं और ध्यान से देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि जो वस्तु उसके अंदर रहती है वह अपने प्लेस से थोड़ी ऊपर दिखती है। इसलिए कि वहां से जो लाइट पास करती है वह वाटर एक लेंस की तरह वर्क करता है और वह रिफ्रैक्शन कराता है, जिसके कारण हम उस वस्तु को वहां से ऊपर अलग स्थान में पाते हैं। So students, there is a device about which we shall know, that is called prism. Prism is a triangular shape of glass that works to disperse the light as well as it converts the white light. Suppose this is a prism, and when a rays of light pass through it, the prism divides it in 7 colors, and these 7 colors, the band of 7 colors is called a spectrum. And when this spectrum is passes through this prism, again they converge at this point and they form a white light. इस तरह से यह प्रिज्म दोनों काम कराता है, और डिस्पर्स भी कराता है और उनको कन्वर्स कराकर एक सिंगल रे में कन्वर्ट भी कर सकता है. So students, now here we shall conclude the chapter. Before it, we should know that the white light, what we have seen in our environment, is made up by 7 colors, about which we have mentioned earlier, and this can be also seen by a simple experiment by making a circular disc, and the disc is divided in 7 equal parts that will be colored by 7 different colors as given here. And when we start rotating vigorously this disc, we find these 7 colors mixed together and they appear as a white color. This experiment that done by us shows that the white light is made up by 7 colors, and the disc that is made up by us is called a Newton disc. So here I complete this chapter. In the next video you will find the question answer of this chapter. Till then, thank you.